Cooking Chana kababs is a delightful culinary journey. Imagine transforming simple black chickpeas into a flavorful patty. Uh, it's a perfect choice for anyone looking for a protein-packed, plant-based option. With its rich taste, you'll wonder why you didn't try this earlier. Begin by soaking 1 cup of chana overnight. This helps them soften and cook evenly. It's a crucial step, so don't skip it. Skipping leads to hard, inedible chickpeas. This is that one pre-step that makes all the difference. The next morning, drain and rinse the chana. Pop them into a pressure cooker with 3 cups of water and a pinch of salt. Cook for about 15-20 minutes until they are soft but not mushy. This step ensures effortless mashing later on. Once cooked, drain and set them aside to cool. Cooling is key here. Hot chickpeas can become pasty when mashed. Remember, the texture is your best friend in this recipe. And this cooling period is a good time for a quick coffee break, isn't it? So now blend the cooled chana along with a generous handful of fresh coriander, 1 green chili, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Just a coarse blend is enough. No need for a smoothie consistency here. A rustic texture gives kebabs character. Transfer the blend to a mixing bowl. Add spices, 1 teaspoon each of cumin powder and garam masala, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt to taste. The aroma will ignite your senses. Feel free to adjust the heat to your liking, spice enthusiasts. This is your cue. Add 2 tablespoons of Esan, chickpea flour, to the mixture. This acts as a binder, ensuring your kebabs hold together. When frying, gently mix everything. You'll find the mixture more manageable and ready to shape. Think flawless, sturdy patties. Divide the mixture into equal portions and shape them into round patties. Trust me, this is the fun part. You're crafting little edible masterpieces. Take your time and revel in the therapeutic process of creating perfect patty discs. Heat a non-stick pan with a couple tablespoons of oil. And then here's a pro tip. Ensure that the oil is nicely hot before placing the kebabs. It prevents sticking and gives a beautiful golden crust. Cook each side for about 3-4 minutes until crispy. Once golden, remove and drain on paper towels. Admire your handiwork. They're golden discs of joy. The aroma should tell you they are ready. Ideal accompaniments: mint chutney, or a tangy tamarind sauce, of course. Serve hot and watch them disappear. The exterior crunch pairs perfectly with the soft, spiced interior. You've created something special, not just food, but an experience. This dish isn't just a meal. It's an engaging story from start to finish. With these simple steps, you've mastered Chana kababs. It's more than just food. It's a dance of flavors. Dive in, experiment, and you might just uncover your signature twist. Let your taste buds lead the way. Bon appetit.